Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to scan QR code on Discord. Here's how to scan a QR code on the Discord web app. The first thing you need to do is to open your browser and go to the Discord web app at discord.com. If prompted, log in using your account credentials. Once you're logged in, head over to the bottom left corner of the home page. In the bottom left corner of the home page, click on the gear icon that is next to your profile name. And that's going to walk you right into the settings menu. In the settings menu, look for the My Account section, which is usually the first option. Now, once you click on that, scroll down, and if you need to link your account to the mobile app or perform other actions involving a QR code, or just find the option labeled Scan QR code or something similar on that account section. So if you scroll down, you'll see that you really cannot see the QR code option here. Okay, even if you head over to devices, you can see these connections, you're going to see this, but you're not going to see the QR code option. Now, that's because the Discord web app doesn't directly support scanning QR codes. Instead, you need to use the Discord mobile app. Now, open the Discord mobile app on your phone and navigate to the QR code scanning section. You can do this by going to User Settings in the mobile app, then you tap on Scan QR code in the app, which will use your phone's camera to scan any QR code linked to your Discord account. Now, once the mobile app's QR scanner is open, point your phone's camera at the QR code shown on your Discord web app or any device you're connected to Discord. After scanning the QR code, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the action, which could be logging in, connecting devices, etc. So scanning the QR code is typically used for linking Discord between your mobile device and web or desktop app or verifying identity. So to scan a QR code, you need to have the Discord mobile app installed on your smartphone. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.